Hey, my loves, good afternoon, and I hope we are doing great. I am fine now. I'm stressed. I have been up and down with the kids, not feeling too well, going in and out of the hospital recently. But then, so long as you're living your life, these things just come up. And yeah, I just got back from the hospital to get some of our test results, and one of it is that there's ulcer. Good health is underrated. You people, like, tell me why drugs are so expensive, like very expensive. I have never been so close to someone with ulcer, but today I learned that yeah, people are truly going through a lot. Tell me why this they didn't have the medications at the hospital, so I went to H Medics to get them. And to start off the ulcer treatment, we are starting with this product, and we have 7 cards here, and each of the cards sell for 2,040 naira. You guys, 2 of these packs are needed for a start. You guys, this is a lot for people who can afford this and have ulcer. Tell me how they are coping. I'm just coming back from the hospital, and this actually weighed me down. I'm grateful to God that I could afford this. I'm so grateful to God. I just hope things get better. And then again, it's been a while since I and the kids dewormed. Like, actually, I can't even get when last we dewormed. So I have some deworm medicines here for 4 of us. This is for me, this is for Emma, and this is for Immaculate and King David. So this is all I have been up to today, and all I have been going through for days now. It's time for pickup. I just thought I should say hello to you guys, because it's been a while. It's been a minute actually. And yeah, when you come across this video, this is one of the tops I ordered from Tamu, and this is so cute. I ordered this in 4 different colors. It came in a 4-piece, and this is cute, you guys. So it's time for pickup. Let's go. Yeah. Hey guys, I'm so excited this morning because I just discovered that Brownie Brave, my friend, has her chick. She came here for some days now, and she laid 2 eggs. I have been very protective of her, and they are here. She's charged now because she thinks I want to touch her babies or her, so she's been protective. Brownie Brave, that's what my kids call it. Look at them. Their mom just left here. Guys, so what will I not do for my kids? I woke up this morning and I made awara. I soaked the soya beans from last night, and I'll just go ahead and fry this for them. Hello, friend. Hello, friend. You're growing so fast. Oh. Hey, chicks. Look at them. Brownie Brave. She'll soon come. I bet it will soon come.
Eat. I want to touch her.